Alright y'all, today is kind of a special day for me. In 2025, I have not bought one gun this year. Today, August 6th, my first purchase, a Glock 19. But it's not your typical Glock 19. This is the Glock 19C. See that good C right there? The Glock 19C, compensated, factory ported barrel and ported slide. I have 2 mags already loaded with 15 rounds, and then I have this mag with 20 rounds for a full 50 rounds. I got a 6-spot target at 7 yards. This just came in today. First shots, and oh yeah, I got the Timney trigger for it, Timney Alpha Glock trigger. Once the gun came in, I ain't put a shot through it or nothing. I went on and put this Timney trigger in there. Gotta do a function check, so let's go. First shots. Do some spring work. Let's go ahead and get this out. I want to show y'all this first shot though.
You cannot get any more accurate than that.
Important, usually the spring weight got to be different. This is from the factory, so I don't know what spring weight they have. The normal spring weight for a Glock 19 is a 17-pound recoil spring. I do have a 15. I might have to see how that works, if it continues to do that. Is that what you do? That time it didn't even eject. Didn't even eject the brass. So it definitely needs some tuning. Mag didn't lock back on that last round. I'm gonna show y'all the target though.
I got one low one overall. Good group.
Let's see how it runs this second mag. Back on the last round again. Went through those last 3 without no issues though.
No matter what, I always got one low flyer. Got that one low in there, one low in there. Good group. You see that one right in the middle of the bullseye, just like the other target?
It's accurate as I don't know what. Typical of Glock. Once I get it running right, I would like to see it run with the factory springs. Nothing should have to be changed, being that this came from the factory. So I don't know if it's an ammo thing, but knowing what I know about ported guns, issues like that has to do with the spring and tuning. So we got 20 in here. It's at 15 yards, already back there. 10 on the left side. Let's see if we can see the target, because I can't see it at all.
Not bad. Not bad at 15 yards. So I'm about to go to the top target on the right.
Six. It ran 6 before an issue. Maybe it's working itself. You know, break-in guns, we having a break-in period too. That's why, again, like I said, I just want to see if I can get it running right without changing no internal springs. If I have to, I will. It's not a problem, but I just want to see. Like I said, this came from the factory, so it should run right. So it didn't lock back on none of the mags, and these are all OEM Glock mags. This one has the mag extension, but it is a OEM Glock mag. I don't know what's up with that. Let's see the target. We started here. As you know, the first shot was right there. I think the first shot on this side was right there too, to be all the way real with you. First 15, these two middle are 7 yards. 15 yards with that group. Did a lot better on that first one than I did on the second one. Had a couple of low ones, but this one, you know. Again, my first gun purchase of 2025. I just got this because this is a rare one. I do like it. There's some things I'm going to change. I'm going to change the sights, get some nice sights up there. And I'm going to do a stipple job. This is a Gen 3. I'm not a fan of the finger grooves. I may knock those down, knock those off. Just stipple it all the way around. But mainly this is like, it's no texture, no grippiness at all here. I may put a mag well on it. I already changed the trigger. When I go through the next 50, if I'm having to every round, then I'm going to just switch it to the 15-pound recoil spring. Still a great gun, great gun. If you're looking for one, they do have a few on Gunbroker. Price is not that bad. Won't be the price I got mine for. What? Just saying, price not bad. Until next time, y'all. Mega Guns, think Mega TV, think greater than, and above all, be responsible. Bang, 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 bang.